Adalysis has several tools to help you manage and optimize your responsive search ads. So first from your dashboard, if you go to alerts and you look at your ads, you can see if there's any issues with your responsive search ads or what audits they've passed. Now step two, if we go to our text ads, we can go to Tools, Insights, and RSA Asset Insights. This will show us how many different ads have different asset count breakdowns from headlines and description standpoint, how often you're pinning headlines, how often you're pinning descriptions, your asset performance rating, and your percentage of RSA ad strength. So it gives you a good overview of how you're using RSA assets in an account or even in specific campaigns. Now, when you want to analyze your assets more or do bulk edits and changes to them, we can use the RSA Manager. The RSA Manager will show us all the assets being used in our entire account. And we could filter down to only see the assets used in a campaign or by ad labels, etc. From here, we can edit an asset everywhere it exists, or we could delete assets everywhere they exist. We can click to see the ads themselves that are using that asset, the aggregates being used, the campaigns being used, and then we can bulk change pinning. If we don't have an asset pinned, we can easily pin it to a position in every one of these ads at once. Or if some are pinned, we can also either unpin or pin remaining assets. And then you can see your impression weighted performance rating to understand its overall performance rating. And then the impressions will show you how often any asset's being used. So it's easy to sort by impressions and see the assets being used the most or the ones that aren't being used much at all. Now, when you need to bulk create new assets, we can choose all the ads we want to bulk add assets. And again, we could filter down and even bulk select. Go to Tools, Manage Ads, and add RSA assets. Here you can easily add different headlines, manage the pinning, apply labels, and bulk add an asset to many ads at once. And then lastly, whenever you're editing an ad or you're creating a new ad, you'll have a button to show AI generated ad copy ideas. This will show you potential suggestions that you can use in your ads, and then you can choose various lines you want to add the selected lines to the ad, and then adjust as necessary, change any pinning, and then modify the ads with those AI suggestions. So by watching your alerts, managing your ads with the RSA Manager, and then using the text ad tools to get AI copy suggestions or get insights and mass create assets, it's easy to edit and manage your responsive search ads.